I've been 3D printing and I got some stuff to show you. Let me show you what I've been up to recently, and we're going to hit the gorge and test it out. Let's go. I recently got my hands on a Bamboo P1S, and there's an AMS coming from them too. Thanks, Bamboo. I bought the P1S myself, and I spent a day with my friend Harry, I don't know, a month ago, designing a better chassis for the UTB18. Well, when I say better, I mean lighter. So today I'm going to test it. I'm going to go and drive with a friend of mine. Simon and I are both going to drive our UTB18s, and we're going to see how much difference my little 3D printed chassis actually makes, because it saves, well, I think 60% of the mass. So there it is. I'll stick some pictures up of it while I'm talking here. You can see I went through a bunch of prototypes, but the nice thing about 3D printing is you can make something, spit it out, especially with the Bamboo. It is fast, like an hour and 10, boom, it's done. So design something, spit it out, test it, make some changes, do it again. And I went through, I don't know, 7, 8, 9 iterations of this chassis, and I've called it the HT Feather because it's a nod to Harry's initials and feather, because it's a lot lighter, and that will hopefully give us a better crawling experience. Now, I also have just made a little thing just last night, little rails for my SCX-10 3JLU, because the body was way too soft, because I cut it up for the competition to get it into scale 1 for WRCCA. You can see I've got a video here about setting it up, and I cut that thing to absolute pieces. Here's a picture of it. It was just ribbons. But that compromised the integrity. Without the roof, the whole thing bent. So I just did some rails as well. They printed, and I'm not kidding, in 7 minutes. I made it ambidextrous so you can fit them to both sides. Got it right on the second go. But again, that's the beauty of 3D printing. And I like PLA, polylactic acid, because it is made from corn starch or sugarcane starch. Biodegradable. So I'm using a little electricity, but PLA is just great. So we're going to have a play with this thing today. The actual chassis of the UTB18 is PLA+, so it's got a plastic added to it to give it a bit of flexibility and strength. And I thought we'd just see how to go. Oh, and keep an eye out for my 3D printed gates as well, because when I meet Simon soon to drive with our little comp cars for practice in the gorge, I'm going to test a couple of those as well. And each of these gates is 4.5 grams, and it takes almost no time to print them. I did a little container for them as well. And I'll tell you what, I'm feeling generous. I'll share all of this stuff on my website, RC-TNT.com. Go there. I'll have a files section, and you can download the 3D printable files for yourself. And I'll put the printing instructions there too. So, without further ado, let's hit the gorge. Oh, you've got baby swampers.
Yep.
They're a good all-rounder. How are they on this lighter vehicle, do you think?
Amazing.
Yeah? Hey. Nice. you got overdrive in this thing?
No, not yet.
Ah, right. Oh, felt that. That's the patented Craig method.
Hey, if it works.
I don't know about it. Wait.
On reverse.
That's true. You gonna give it a go?
Yep.
You got heaps of time. Oh, it wants it. You can also come up to the side and do the second one. Maybe not the side to side. Oh. It's got to pay for itself now. Hey, look at that. Nice. You can actually make that around here too. Oh, that's a bit saw that.
Violent.
Smart. Your other option is to just pretend we've gone back to the previous gate as a reset.
Works for me. Oh,
Nice. Nothing in it. Oh, is there? Too bad. Yeah,
go through a battery.
that'd be great. Yeah,
Always a laugh.
great.
The thing she's done to that slash. I don't know if I sent you a message about it. I really like the look of the new Raptor R slash.
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
And
Shame it's a slash. Sorry, Trax.
well, Matt got it and took and abused hell out of it.
Matt.
Scale building.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they're sending him all the fast stuff now. Scale Bashers Guild now.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
good.
watched his drift video.
Good for him. Drift, he's doing drift as well.
He's got a drift. Oh, there's one. He's got a drift car. I just put the video up this week.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
See that one?
I don't know that yours would do it. I think I'm on cheat mode with the tyres and the weight.
Overdrive?
Yep. I didn't touch anything, but that was a fluke more than anything. Oh, there you go. The bonus cost of reverse. Yeah, I've had the Sensen at that skate park, and it takes a pounding. That was unnecessary. I got to say, this is a lot easier than having all that weight up top. This is way nicer. I'm excited to do the panels like you suggested.
Yeah, I just think I like the idea of it being still recognisable as what it is.
Yeah, oh, it's a brilliant idea. It's been bugging me for a while how to finish this off. That'll be the answer.
No one said you couldn't complete the course inverted.
Well,
The old Top Gun.
as long as the front wheels go through first, yeah. It's a zippy little thing, this.
So it's standard axles and
Yep. It's got overdrive in the front portals and not in the diff. And it's got the $20 servo. My goodness. $20 high voltage servo. Ow, that's spiny. And this servo is hung in there for a long time. It's my Asia T special, and it runs directly off the battery. No, I think it's only 8.4 volt. Yeah, it is, it's 8.4 volt. I don't know. I guess the little Mamba is powering it. Yeah, portal overdrive I think is about 11%, and that's... do you know what? I think I underdrove the rear portals as well, because I think I'm running about a quarter overdrive. It's going to be much, that bonus.
That really is challenging a little bit.
Yeah, it is. I don't think this is as good as the Mini before my axles blew, but it's getting close now. I would feel competitive again with this now, which I absolutely didn't when I went north last time. You can see it's about a quarter overdrive. It's significant. Oh, I can't go through the gate. Yeah, it might do it.
Oh, you might get up.
Oh, it will actually, yeah. Just. That's pin tires only. Clearly we still have some tweaking to do. By the time you watch this, I'll have an updated version and tested, so it's good to go. And I'll even make some spaces you can print as well. So you just need to print the chassis, no support, piece of cake, and the spacers. So you just need some slightly longer screws, and I'll put that a little instruction sheet with the downloadable chassis. RC-TNT.com for the files. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Throw me a like, and I'll catch you again right here on RC-TNT. Cheers.